my lord, I can assure your lordship one thing. My lord, it is not that this restaurant has come up overnight. And my lord, all over Calcutta, my lord, that's a issue of policy. Now, my lord, if today, good, bad, indifferent, the state as a matter of policy decides no rooftop restaurant will run, my lord, that's a different issue. Either we are able to successfully challenge that or not. But, my lord, over here, merely because a fire had happened somewhere else, my lord, why this restaurant is targeted? And that too on the basis of 401 notice. There was no requirement to come, my lord, with the police and, my lord, break my furnitures, break the glass shutters. It could have been done in a civilized and dignified way.
401 doesn't mean that they can demolish.
Correct.
My lord, just now it has been served upon us.
Okay.
Specific instruction I could obtain.
My lord, I
One minute. I could obtain that there some portion has been demolished. So, my lord, if your lordships kindly give us another day so that I can get you the proper instruction, I apprise your lordship.
No, my lord, I have a limited prayer. My lord, I'll indicate. The lordship will find, my lord, that the entire demolition has been carried out on 2nd of May, 2nd and 3rd. And in 3rd, after, my lord, we intimate that we have filed a writ petition. Now, my lord, the basis of this is prima facie I am indicating. My lord, the demolition is carried out purportedly under a notice under section 401. 401 is only a stop work. And this similar notice was given in 2024. There is an application for regularization pending. Now, I am not on, my lord, whether we can carry on business or not. What has been done, my lord, we have, my lord, kindly give me leave to file a supplementary affidavit. This is what has happened, my lord. After filing the writ petition, we have annexed the photographs, my lord. With vengeance, my lord, this is how this is what has been, my lord, carried out. So, my lord, this is what has happened. My lord, as of now, the only limited interim protection that I am asking for, in the night, my lord, they have also disconnected the electricity. Now, my lord, assume for a moment it's a policy decision. The corporation or the government decides they will not allow any rooftop restaurants to function. Either we are able to resist it or we are not. But, my lord, I am mainly aggrieved. In the process, they come and overnight they demolish it. My lord, we are not criminals. We were carrying on. And, my lord, over here, there is no dispute. We have a valid fire license, which is valid till, my lord, August 2025. We have a valid trade license. Now, my lord, assume for a moment, my lord, that under 401, my lord is well aware, my lord, there are two distinct sections under the Kolkata Municipal Corporation Act. One is section 400, where, my lord, there is even if the authorities feel that urgent demolition is required, then also, my lord, there has to be a decision of the mayor in council. So, my lord, over here, there is no decision of the mayor in council, merely because the chief minister had announced it, my lord, to give a visual representation to the people that this is being carried out overnight. This has been done. My lord, because my lord, the electricity was disconnected, I couldn't even remove the food. Not carry on business. I could have at least, my lord, mitigated my loss. Could not remove the food. My liquors are there. And, my lord, this is what they are doing. As of now, my lord, kindly stop the demolition work. Lordship takes it up on any other day. Only the demolition today, there is, my lord, I understand.
I have a few questions, Mr. Chair. I want to understand that when you are running these rooftop restaurants, you definitely have a fire license, but probably the fire license must have been for your ground floor or the partial.
No. My lord, it's kindly see, my lord, lordship will
for the rooftop also. Let's assume for the rooftop also. Now, as far as the other licenses are concerned, you give a blueprint when it comes to the liquor license or the sales, whatever the excise department license. In the blueprint, do you show that you are serving alcohol in this open area?
Yes, because I have an excise license.
Yes, my lord, I have an excise license.
Yes, you must have an excise license. Obviously, then only you are conducting your business. I'm saying that in the excise license, you give a blueprint. You indicate the number of packs who can be there, the area in which you're going to serve alcohol, this outside area which is there. Do you indicate in that blueprint?
Whether, my lord, if, what is falling from your lordship is in terms of a representation in map.
Yes.
My lord, that, my lord, I'll check up the forms, what has fallen from your lordship. I'll also update your lordship on that. I have understood what is troubling your lordship. My lord, excise license, my lord, the little that I know, because of, my lord, we in the bar library also we had to apply. My lord, there is, my lord, a form where, my lord, in a handwritten sketch, you have to indicate to them the place and, my lord, the broad roads and all that. So far as rooftop is concerned, whether there is any additional map or not, but, my lord, I can assure your lordship one thing. My lord, it is not that this restaurant has come up overnight. And, my lord, all over Calcutta, my lord, that's a issue of policy. Now, my lord, if today, good, bad, indifferent, the state as a matter of policy decides no rooftop restaurant will run, my lord, that's a different issue. Either we are able to successfully challenge that or not. But, my lord, over here, merely because a fire had happened somewhere else, well, why this restaurant is targeted, and that too on the basis of 401 notice, well, that is my short point.
You yourself know, Mr. Chaudhary, that this was an illegal structure.
No.
I'll say why. The reason is because you had asked for regularization of.
Well, it is regularization of the CIS sheds. Well, these sheds are, well, temporary in nature, which can be dismantled anytime.
See, temporary or permanent is a disputed question of fact.
Correct.
And,
Well, I am conceding to that also. Well, even then I should get, well, 15 days notice to remove.
yes.
There was no requirement to come, my lord, with the police and, my lord, break my furnitures, break the glass shutters. It could have
400
been done in a civilized and dignified way.
401 doesn't mean that they can demolish.
Correct.
Yes, that I completely agree with.
And
Yes, Mr. Basu.
My lord, I prayed, my lord. This is the situation, my lord. Can you
No, my only question is, Mr. Basu.
see this?
Yes.
What can be done?
Kindly see the fire license. 120 kg is the permission.
I'm not fully getting instruction. My lord. Just now you have been served. This is the situation.
Yes. No, I am not saying that you can't take action, but you can't demolish under 401. You know it. I don't need to tell you this.
Function program.
At the same time, let them not function it. Whatever happened.
I can't function. Well, nothing is there.
Next Thursday with the full instruction so that this order can be sustained or not. Give me this opportunity.
No, they will. Obviously, they can't function. They shouldn't function.
My lord has seen. My lord must take judicial notice what happened in Kolkata.
No, that is right. What has happened, we all know. We are reading it every
That's
day in the
saying this is-
newspaper.
জজ সাহেব বলছেন সব
This
ফাংশন
is the
জজ সাহেব
এখন দরকার।
ঠিক আছে দেখা বলুন ব্লুপ্রিন্টটা
Actually,
Only
keep it
one
on
more
Thursday, my lord, I
indulgence
try to assist your lords.
So, what do you want?
Today,
At
my
least-
lord, I don't want anything. Only for
You hold your hands. You make a statement, you will hold your hands. You will not take any action. Whenever you want the hearing, I'll finish it off. I'll decide this. I'll relegate you back to the whether you want to pass an order under 408 as
that
emergent,
stage has not yet
or
reached.
you want to pass an order under.
But little I could gather from the
400.
petition, 408.
ডেমোলিশন
I'm not saying that. I'm saying that even if you want to exercise your powers under 400, you have to give them notice.
Certainly,
You
that
have not
statute
given them
itself-
any notice.
to that extent, my lord, I've taken instruction. Notice has not been given.
Yes.
Under which action prompted my client, my lord, I have to.
Okay, you show me your file. What has prompted you to take this action?
That I am not sure. Just now it has
Have
been
it
served.
tomorrow.
But
Not do anything till tomorrow.
third, my lord, it was served Saturday.
Mr. Basu,
Office was closed.
under which,
Sunday.
under which provision of law have you demolished that property? Or you have taken action, you show it
My
tomorrow.
lord, this is my
Get the
duty to
file.
show to satisfy my.
To get the file, let me see whether you have invoked 400,
Can
you have
I-
invoked 400.
Today is a Monday, my lord is taking Thursday the original side.
No, I can take it tomorrow also.
Tomorrow. Very good.
ডিফিকাল্টি যাই
If you want me to take it on Thursday, we'll take it on Thursday, but till then, no action.
For the demolition. Demolition, what has happened, happened.
And take your word for that. I'm not recording anything,
ভেরি গুড
but I'll
This much.
hold you. Yes. You are appearing, I will not say anything.
Demolition order has been passed.
We'll have it. When do you want? Thursday?
My lord,
Thursday?
Thursday.
Thursday we'll have it. No action.
No further
They
action.
can't use it.
Action has
They
been.
can't use it.
Whatever action has been taken, we can't undo whatever has been done.
They have to remove all furniture.
No further action.
They have to remove all furniture from.
Mr. Chaudhary?
Well.
Thursday we'll have it.
My lord.
Thursday.
since my learned friend is there, I am also not
That's why I'm
pushing
also
for it.
not-
But, my lord,
That's why I'm also
it is-
not saying anything.
my clients are, my lord, very apprehensive
That
considering.
was my soul.
We have put
That
everything
is
on
that
him.
is
You know?
that is not fair on the part of the court.
অর্ডার অন টি টোটাল
We have.
Burden on a teetotaler, both teetotalers, my lord.
I was appealing with the state, but I had obtained report, but I am holding it back.
Thursday. What state has got what?
For today's demolition, these arrangements were called for by the corporation.
Doesn't matter.
That is major portion has been done, my lord. Rest has nothing to be done.
It has the details of the earlier stop work notices which have been pending for 1 year. According to my report, from July
Yeah, that
2024,
Mr. Chaudhary also said that in 24 also there was a notice which was issued.
Same year.
So Thursday we'll have it. Lordship.
बोले दीजिए
Not today, Thursday.
Grateful.